Okay, so here we have Ivory soap, and it's on a microwave safe dish. We're gonna put this into the microwave for 1 minute and 15 seconds. Wow, it looks like snow, doesn't it? It's getting really huge. It's getting bigger and bigger. Wow, that looks amazing. Okay, let's see what it looks like. My goodness, isn't that amazing? So the reason that this is happening like this is the ivory soap is whipped, and it's whipped with a lot of air in it. So when you heat it, that just expands and it just releases all that air and it makes it nice and puffy. This is really super cool. It feels kind of like snow. So have fun with this science experiment today.